Okay, in this example we're going to do the DSUMs function. The DSUMs function would be used when you have a really large database. So here I only have 4 rows, but if you had one with many thousands or even hundreds or tens, and you wanted to add up values that relate to a specific search term in the database, that's when you would use the DSUM function. Okay, so in this case, this is how I use the DSUM function. You've got to have like a search term box with the search term category spelt exactly like it is in the actual database table. So in this case I have country of origin, and I've got country of origin here. This is where I would type whatever my search term is. So I might just type USA, for example. See how that went, and it added up all the USA number of credits earned. If I go to Canada, it gives me the Canadian credits earned, 42 plus 42 for Canada. Okay, so that's what this does. The way we'll make this work is we put a place to put the search term right here, and then we use the DSUM function right here in cell J3. And what this formula needs is B2, which is the entire database going down to the bottom right here. B2 to, what was it? B2 to F6. And you have to include the column headings so that it knows where to pick off the search term. Okay, so you include some of the database functions in Excel. You have to leave off the column headings, but in this one you have to actually include it. Okay, so that's what I did over here, was I gave it the range of the whole thing, including the column headings, and then I tell it which column I want to add up, which would be 4. This is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and then I give it what the search term is. And if I go back to the formula, you can see I2 to I3 like this. Okay, that's what was in the last term of the DSUM function. And then when I press enter, it will then go and it will add up the 42 and the 42 to give me 84. If I type in here USA, it takes 56 and 72, which is 128, and gives me the right answer as well. Okay, so that's how you use the DSUM function as a search tool.